Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to construct a binary tree when an element has given. So our topic is construction of binary tree. So binary tree is nothing but it's a non-linear data structure. So tree is nothing but it's a collection of nodes and edges which are connected and doesn't form any cycles. So for constructing a binary tree, so first of all you have to know what is binary tree. So binary tree is nothing but a tree. It's having at most two children. So for example, if you have a root node, so it's having maximum of two children only. So this type of tree is said to be a binary tree, and this rule it can be applicable for every level. So see, means your binary tree is having either 0 children, 1 children or 2 children. It doesn't having maximum more than of 2 children. You have to remember this property when you are constructing the binary tree. Suppose the elements are given for you like this. Suppose these are the elements as given for you. Now you have to construct a binary tree for these elements. So first of all, every tree is constructed with a root. So whatever the element you have as the first element, you have to take it as a root. So here, this is my root because this is my first element. And then you can take the second element, and remember in your binary tree, you have always construct your left subtree first, then right subtree. So now 16 is your second element. You have to take the left child of 15. So now 16 is here. Then this is your third element. Then you can place on right side. So at this level, this is a binary tree because it's having only two children. So now you have to take this element. So now you can place this element as a left child to 16. So then take this element and this will be the right child of 16. And after completion of this left subtree, now you come for the right part. So you can take the next element and you can place as a left child of this node 8. And then the next element it will be placed as a right child of this node 8. And read the next element and you can place as a left child of this particular node 17. And this 13 can be placed as a right child of this node 7. And remember, after your completion of this particular left subtree of this particular node at this level, then only you can start adding the children to this particular node. After completion of this entire part, you can add to this part. So this is a way how you are constructing a binary tree.